Highlight takers, master mo na ba ang difference ng deductive at inductive method? Try mo nga sagutan yung tanong na to. Which method applies top-down approach? Inductive or deductive? Again, pag sinabi nating deductive, nag-uumpisa sa D, kaya nauuna ang definition bago example. Pag naman inductive, nauuna ang example bago ang definition. Para magkatunog din siya. Inductive, example. Okay. Ngayon, para hindi na kayo malito, ang top-down approach, ang ibig sabihin lang din yan, nauuna ang definition bago ang example. General muna bago specific. Kasi usually sa whiteboard, di ba, nauuna talagang sinusulat yung definition, tapos sa baba yung example. So, top-down means definition, then example. At dito sa choices, ang sagot natin ay letter B. Pero paano kung ang tanong naman ay, which method arrives at a confirmation? Alam mo na bang sagot doon? Comment mo nga sa baba. For more techniques and deeper discussion of topics, you may join our Let Final coaching that will start on March 7 and 8. We only have limited slots because we want to make this coaching more personal so that we can answer every question and concern that you have. So if you're interested or if you know someone who is interested, just message our Facebook page. See you! Highlight takers, master nyo na ba ang learning theory ni Vygotsky? Pag-usapan nga natin yung sample let question na to. Which of the following options reflects Vygotsky's learning principle? Again, yung learning theory ni Vygotsky, it states that learning happens when there is guidance from other people. Specifically from more knowledgeable others or MKO. Pwedeng sa magulang mo, sa teacher mo, o kahit sa kaklase mo, basta mas matalino sa'yo. So, among the four choices, ang pinaka nagre-reflect ng learning principle ni Vygotsky ay letter A. Tama kayo. Kay Vygotsky din galing yung acronym na ZPD. Alam niyo na ba yung ibig sabihin yan? Comment nyo nga sa baba. Highlight takers, can you answer this sample let question? Among the following, which concept is related to realism? Moral character, intellectual capacity, empirical data, or reflection. When we talk about realism, ito yung teaching philosophy na nagpo-focus sa nature or sa mga bagay na na-observe, napaperceive ng senses o mga hands-on activity. At ang kabaliktaran ng realism ay idealism na ang main focus naman ay utak. So among the four choices, alin dyan ang hindi utak ang pinaka-pinapagana? Automatic, tanggal na agad ang intellectual capacity at reflection. Ang moral character ay isa ring abstract concept, hindi naman niya nahawakan, kaya hindi yan under realism. Kaya ang sagot sa tanong na to ay letter C, empirical data. Because when we say empirical, we are referring to things that can be perceived by the five senses. A concept that is under realism. Pero kilala niyo ba kung sino ang proponent ng realism at idealism? Comment nyo nga sa baba. When we say extrinsic motivation, we are referring to motivations coming from external factors. Ibig sabihin, nanggagaling sa labas, ibinibigay sa'yo. So among the four options, which is a source of extrinsic motivation? Very obvious. Letter B, high grades. Because passion, satisfaction, and enjoyment are all under intrinsic or internal motivation. Now, can you give more examples of extrinsic and intrinsic motivation? Comment nyo nga sa baba. Highlight takers, ilang araw na lang at board exam na at sana marami ka nang naaral para sure napapasa ka na. Pero kung hindi ka pa masyadong confident o gusto mo pang dagdagan yung confidence mo para sure napapasa ka na, you may still join our Let Final coaching that will start on March 7 and 8. We offer review sessions for Prof Ed and English majorship. Questions? Online po ba ang session? Yes po. Anong oras? Iba-iba po at flexible tayo. On March 7, 9 a.m. ang Prof Ed, 2 p.m. ang Major. On March 8, 2 p.m. for Prof Ed, 7 p.m. for Major. But again, starting dates lang po natin ng March 7 and 8, kaya kung hindi pa matapos ang materials natin, pwede pang mag-extend. Recorded din po ba ang sessions? Yes po. Kaya kung conflict po yun sa schedule nyo, pwede nyo pong panoorin sa convenient time nyo. May slots pa ba? Limited lang po ang slots natin, pero meron pa. Kaya kung interesado ka, mag-message ka na dito sa Facebook page natin. Ito po ang Facebook page natin at nag-upload din po tayo dito ng free let review videos, And meron din po tayo dito sa ating YouTube channel at Carl Season. Scroll down nyo lang po and hanapin nyo yung Eduk Hacks na playlist. Congratulations, future LPTs!